Thutha wa gweterera kwa ihinda inene uruguria wa ukui wa maguta kuma mucii munene wa Mombatha nginyagia guku Nairobi kugerera mitambo ya miberethi ya kiriu, muthiondo ni ukinyanirie thutha wa mainjinia kuma ruhonge rwa ukui wa maguta rwa Kenya Pipeline gutiriha wira wao. Kuringana na minista wa weji wa maguta John Munyes, mutaratara uyu ni gutithiriria kunyihia garama ya iguru hari ukui wa maguta, undu uria ungitigirira nginyagia thogora wa maguta ni wathie thi.
Means now we can supply our product across countries. We serve the Great Lakes region. We have security of the product within our country.
Kwitukira ukui uyu ri muthianiriro wa ngari barabara-ini no ratanywo kunyiha amu nigo kugia na unyihu wa makiri ya rori 700 barabara-ini guku maria maturigiceirie na wagiriru wa barabara igikinyanirio.
Ships have had to stay longer on the sea before unloading. When they stay longer, they are charged.
Mwene-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa Kenya Pipeline Joe Sang nionanitie mwihoko munene na ukui uyu akiuga waki wa matangi mana kuria miberethi niwegerete ni uguteithiriria hari wigi wa maguta.
Energy Regulatory Commission ERC do compensate the transporters who are tracking the product from Mombasa to Nairobi the tune of 1 shillings and 3 cents per litre. That is what we pay as a Kenyan in the pump price. We are saying now with this infrastructure projects that have come on board, the pipeline and the tanks, the Energy Regulatory Commission will be able to remove that 1 shilling from the pump price.
Hadu ni Hamedha Ojuri ya Kameme TV, Rito Rekoni Bataru, wa Mwagi.